Stop everything you're doing. If you've ever sanded drywall, even once, you know the nightmare. The dust in your eyes. The grit in your lungs for days afterward. Finding drywall dust in places you didn't know existed months later. But here's the thing they don't tell you, in 2026, sanding drywall doesn't have to be torture anymore. 3 companies secretly released sanders this year with technology so advanced, they literally vacuum 99.7% of dust before it even touches the air. We're talking HEPA-level filtration built right into the tool. I've been testing them on a full basement renovation. And one sander, just one, was so comfortable I forgot I was working. Starting at number 1. WEN Dual Head Drywall Sander. Best overall. This powered one model includes 2 different sanding heads, so whether you're covering wide swaths with a circular pad or running along edges and corners with a triangular attachment, you have everything you need. These heads are easy to attach as well, so you won't need to waste time fumbling with tools or fasteners when you want to swap them out. This specific model is also an upgrade from the similar 2017 version, with a more efficient dust hole configuration for improved dust extraction. The variable speed controls increase overall versatility and functionality, too, since you have control over how fast the pads spin or vibrate. This feature really comes in handy when you want to be extra delicate and avoid oversanding or gouging your work surface. Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drywall Sander. Best cordless. DeWalt's cordless drywall sander is an investment, but if you spend a lot of time sanding or installing drywall, it's worth it. With its 9-inch head, it covers a lot of ground quickly. It features a variable speed dial that adjusts the sander's speed from the 700 to 1,200 revolutions per minute for scaling back the power to avoid gouging the drywall. It's also compatible with DeWalt dust collectors to minimize mess. Just be prepared for workout, as it weighs close to 13 pounds. The cordless design makes it easier to use, though you're limited to about 30 minutes of run time with the suggested 5-hour battery. Number 3. Hyde Drywall Vacuum Hand Sander. Best value. This manual hand sander is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordably priced alternative to use in tandem with their shop vac. The included hose features a coupling adapter that fits any wet-dry vac, and at 6 feet, is long enough to use without dragging the vac around too much. A simple clamping system makes it simple to switch out sanding screens while you work, and it even comes with one to get you started. Plus, the control valve at the base of the sander lets you adjust the strength of the suction being applied. Number 4. Festool Drywall Sander. Best professional grade. We've used Festool power tools for years, and this professional-grade drywall sander is a great example of their dedication to quality and precision. Weighing just 7.9 pounds and balanced for maximum comfort, this is a great option for those with large, multi-room projects. The brushed edges of the head prevent excess dust from escaping, making it easy for the vacuum hose to do its job. You can even remove a section of this edging for getting as close as possible to those tricky inside edges, which cuts down on manual sanding time. This model is significantly more expensive than the other options on our list, but for those looking for a professional-grade option that's built to last, this Festool model is worth the investment. Number 5. DW1085 Handheld Drywall Sander. Best handheld. The 8.5-inch circular pad on this one model powers through larger sanding projects, and the textured handles are comfortable to grip and control while you work. We really appreciate the fact that this handle can be attached to either side of the unit, so it's useful for both right and left-handed users. What really separates this handheld sander from similar models is that it includes its own dust collection bag, so there's no need to supply your own shop vac. You can also adjust the vacuum suction strength by using the handle-mounted adjustment wheel. At 6.6 pounds, it's relatively lightweight, reducing hand and shoulder fatigue during those all-day projects. If you do start getting tired, use the included shoulder strap. So those are the 5 drywall sanders that actually make this job bearable. Quick honest take, if you're just doing a small patch job, the number 4 hand sander is totally fine. But if you're tackling an entire room or basement, the number 1 pick will save you days of work and keep your house livable during renovation. I've linked all of them in the description with the current best prices. Shop around, some of these have bundled deals that include extra pads and hoses that are totally worth it. If this video saves you from breathing drywall dust for the next month, smash that like button. It helps other DIYers find this before their next project. And subscribe with notifications on. Next week, I'm revealing the 5 painting tools that pros use to get flawless walls every time. Some of these tools, you've never heard of, but they're game changers. Now go make those walls smooth. I'll see you in the next one.